Hey there! Tired of digging for keys? Losing them? Or worrying about who has a spare copy? For homeowners and business owners, managing keys is a constant security headache. What if you could unlock your door with just a touch? Today on Sure Lock & Key, we're diving into the future of security, biometric locks. We'll show you why they are a massive upgrade for your property. So, what is a biometric lock? Instead of a traditional key, these high-tech locks use your unique biological traits, most commonly your fingerprint. With biometrics, your identity is the key. Is it worth the switch? Absolutely. Let's look at the top benefits. Ultimate convenience. No more lost keys or forgotten PIN codes. Access is instant, secure, and keyless. Superior security. It's incredibly difficult to fake a fingerprint. This stops unauthorized key copying and traditional lockpicking attempts cold. Total access control. A game changer for business owners and landlords. You can grant temporary access and see an audit trail of exactly who entered and when. Biometric locks are powerful, but they require precise installation. A small mistake can compromise the lock's electronics and security. That's where Sure Lock & Key comes in. Our certified technicians specialize in smart lock installations, ensuring your high-tech security is calibrated perfectly. Ready to ditch the keys and upgrade to ultimate peace of mind? If you're considering biometric locks, Sure Lock & Key is here to help 24/7. Give us a call or visit our website for a professional security consultation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more security tips. Stay safe.